Okay, this time it's the truck, as you can see. It is about a quarter of the way up, and you're sitting on the center crossbox thingy-majigger.
You're going on a journey, and your route is laid out plain. Going where the sun shines every day. No more heartache, no more pain. Don't pack those bags too full, my friend. Make sure you're traveling light. I've taken over my love with you to keep you warm at night.
Sorry, that was a little over a minute. I wasn't paying attention to that, but you get the idea there. Next, we are going to the Mercedes.